Magesco.
Hello mga ka-friendship! My name is Carlo Magpantay and welcome to Magesco Garden and Pool Services. Your one-stop provider for landscape, swimming pool, and home improvement services. I'm excited to share with you our new journey in the digital world of YouTube. We are improving our services to provide more useful information and interactive experience to meet your needs in this digital world. So stay tuned as we update you on our latest project and revisit some of our previous ones as well. We will also give helpful tips for your swimming pool, landscape, and home improvement. Vacant lot, swimming pool, and garden transformations. Home improvement transformations. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to show you all the exciting things we've got planned. We're also thrilled to introduce our new partner, G's.
Haha! Hello, ka-friendship! My name is G's.
We will be joining in sharing all behind the scenes and updates of our current projects and some reviews of our previous ones as well.
Magesco Garden and Pool Services. Our services. Projects. Current and previous projects. Informations and other things in terms of swimming pool, garden, and home improvements. Magesco provides a wide array of services and expertise. Magesco provide high-quality services in terms of swimming pool construction and design, swimming pool repair, restoration, and other works to revive your swimming pool investment. Water features that ranges from small ponds to water fountains and waterfalls. Landscape restoration, grass cutting services, and more. Home improvement construction from fence, indoor renovation, plumbing, and the like. Swimming pool and landscape maintenance services for homes, resorts, hotels, and other business establishments. Want more exciting information and videos? Just stay tuned and click the notification bell for more tips and upcoming projects of Magesco. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.